Imagine accessing endless entertainment on your Firestick in just minutes. Ready to dive in? First, ensure your Firestick is connected to your TV and Wi-Fi before we proceed any further. Now, on the main menu, search for and select the Settings option. It's our starting point. Navigate to My Fire TV and select it with your remote for more options to appear. In Developer Options, toggle on Apps from unknown sources to allow installations. Head back to the home screen. This is where things get exciting and really interesting. Use the search feature to find Downloader, our tool for accessing IPTV, and install it. Open Downloader and input the URL https://www.2tv.store/download for the IPTV. Once downloaded, press Install and patiently wait for the process to complete successfully. On installation completion, click Open to launch the app and access a world of content. Now, navigate through the app, explore your available options and massive channel variety. Create or log into your account on 2tv.store and use it on this IPTV service. With just these steps, you've transformed your entertainment experience. No second guessing. Marvel at the seamless experience 2tv.store offers. It's truly revolutionizing streaming quality. Tell us about your favorite features in the comments. Let's share and grow together. Subscribe now for more exciting IPTV content and become a streaming pro in no time.